Hi, it's Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and we have some Halloween surprises. One of them is how to make a fluffy Halloween earring. Let me show you the photo. This is done on a chain of oval links, and each of the links are the same length and size. And it also has these little skull charms that are attached. And now we're going to enhance it with some crystals. I'll keep myself on the bottom for just a little bit as we chit chat about design. And if you have questions, you can always comment and ask. We do have over 500 videos on YouTube. So if there is a technique or something that you want to learn how to do and you're not too sure, check it out there. Or let us know. On the top here is a piece of chain, and we're going to be adding onto this chain. Now this has 7 links of chain. What we're going to do is add the topmost chain to the ear wire. Let me draw the ear wire in. And so you open the ear wire and you put that chain right in there. So let's say you have a bunch of crystals. The technique will be, since there is 7 links, we'll just pretend that there's more on this one. 5, 6, 7. And we have 14 crystals. It's perfect, right? That means you can put one on each side of the link. So one will go here, one will go here, and these are like basic wire wraps. And then on this chain, it's the side view of it. One's going to go here, and one's going to go on the other side where you can't see it. I'll just make a little arrow. There's one more there. Then one will go here. I think you kind of got the picture of what I'm doing. It's very orderly. It's quite easy to follow, and it's a good way of dividing up whatever it is you're making. Now, on the ear wire itself, we do want to wrap one of your beads right onto the ear wire here. Otherwise, where the chain hangs onto it, it looks a little bit naked. Let me show you what I mean. Open up the ear wire, pick up your chain, put it on. There is a right way because the skulls are all hanging top to bottom. Now you're going to close your ear wire. You can see that between the ear wire and the first link, there's going to be some space right here. We want to wrap one of the beads off of the ear wire. So it'll look like this. Here's the ear wire loop, and here is your attachment right on there. That is key to making it look full from the very top. Now the technique is called basic wire wrap. I'm not doing it in this video because I wanted to talk about layout, but I'm going to show you the photo again. And you can see that the top light purple crystal is hanging off of the ear wire. Then we have one on either side of the first link. You'll see on the next set of links, you can't really see it. It's kind of hiding behind that chain. There's 2 more crystals. Below that, there is the orange and green one side to side, and so on. Then on the very bottom chain link, if you want to, you can always add a charm. You can put on a larger crystal. You can use something that ends it any way you want. So on ours, we put a larger bead. Now just know that this chain will sit face forward. It's like you're looking at donuts where the hole goes this way and tires where the hole goes this way, right? Donuts, the hole goes top to bottom. Tires, the hole goes side to side. So you have a donut, tire, donut, tire, donut, tire, donut. Now the donut will sit so that you look straight at it. When you're looking straight at it, that means that you'll see the 2 crystals sitting side by side. To make this work, you want to end it with a bead, a charm that will end front to back so that you can use one jump ring to attach to here. And that way you won't have a profile view when you're wearing it. You'll have a full front view. Those are some tips in making a balanced earring. You need to know how to basic wire wrap or turn a basic loop in order to make something this fluffy. You'll need head pins, beads, ear wires, chain. Now your chain can have items on it, or it can just be a plain piece of chain like my drawing originally was. And then you just go for it. I will come back another day and show you how to do a design that incorporates more, and that'll be super fun. All right. Thank you so much for joining in for a little bit of some design tricks and tips, and we will see you again. Have a lovely Halloween.